Hello students, today we will start the chapter number 4 in geography, minerals and power resources. Okay, in this chapter we learn about the minerals, power resources and the types of minerals, extractions of minerals, distributions of mineral in the world, mineral distribution in India and uses of minerals, conservation of minerals, uses of power, classification of power resources. Okay, in this series of lesson or resources, we shall now study about two important resources, minerals and power. So, minerals are available in nature but need to be extracted and purified to make them usable. On the other hand, power is required to be generated by use of technology and other resources. Okay, both these resources come under different groups like natural and man-made respectively, but play a very valuable role in our life. Imagine a world without metal and power, and you shall find yourself in the Stone Age. Human beings have explored and exploited these for their use in different forms and different needs. So, they have explored deep into the land surface and under the seabeds to extract them in a large quantity. So, let's first start with the minerals. Okay. A mineral is solid, non-living means inorganic material found in the earth, naturally occurring, definite chemical makeup and definite crystalline structure. Okay, minerals are naturally occurring substances which have a definite chemical composition. These are available in different concentrations in different parts of the earth. Some may be available on the surface of the land, some deep inside the surface of under ocean beds. They are found mixed with the materials or impurities and therefore they need to be a process to make them usable. Okay, mineral can be identified on the basis of their physical properties like color, hardness, density, solubility and chemical properties. Okay. Yeah guys, types of minerals. Minerals are generally two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic mineral means contain metal like iron ore and bauxite are some examples. Okay, non-metallic means do not contain metals. Okay, mica, gypsum and limestone are some of example. Okay, and metallic minerals are ferrous and non-metallic. Okay, metallic minerals are ferrous. Okay, containing iron example and iron ore are okay. Chromides and non-ferrous do not contain iron but contain their metallic such as gold and silver. Yes, metallic minerals, as the name suggested, these minerals have metals in raw form. They are generally found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. These metals are good conductor of electricity. They are malleable, tensile, have luster or shine and are ductile. Okay, like copper, zinc, iron, gold and silver, etc. Non-metallic minerals, these are minerals which do not contain metals, are found in sedimentary rocks and are non-malleable, okay, non-ductile and do not have luster. Example, mica, gypsum, coal and petroleum, etc. Okay. Yeah, extractions of minerals. Extractions means mining, drilling, quarrying. Mining is divided also two parts, open cast mining and soft cast mining. Soft mining. Okay, so extractions means as started earlier, minerals are found in various concentrations and at various locations in different form of purities. Okay, they have to be extracted, taken out. Extracted means taken out. Okay, and processed to make them usable. Various method of extraction employed for this purpose. Okay, like mining. Mining means extraction minerals from various depths below the surface of the earth and from the rocks is called mining. These are two types. First one is open cast mining. Okay, means minerals that are extracted by removing the top surface is called open cast mining. This process is effectively only when the minerals are not very deep down from the surface of the earth. Okay, soft mining means when minerals deposit are extracted from deep down the earth's surface. Okay, digging deep bores are called soft. It is known as soft mining. Soft mining. Drilling means the process of extraction which involves drilling into the earth surface with huge machines is called a drilling. Okay. This process is commonly used for extracting petroleum and natural gases. Okay, quarrying. Quarrying means minerals that lie on or near the surface of the earth are simply dug out. This process is called quarrying. This process is normally used to extract marbles, granite, etc. Okay. A picture of coal mines mining method. Mine trolleys. Distribution of minerals in the world. Global distribution of critical minerals like Asia. Asia has enormous reserve of coal amounting to nearly 3/5 of the world total. India and China and Siberia have large deposit. Petroleum deposit are also found in Asia. It, it accounts for nearly 2/3 of the world's reserve. Okay, India and China have large iron and ore deposits. Asia has a large deposit of bauxite, lead and zinc. Asia produces more than half of the world's tin non-metallic minerals like asbestos, mica and rock salt also available in plenty in Asia. Okay, like Europe, it has abundant resources of hard and soft coal. It once had large deposits of irons, but with continuous extractions, it is now not one of the large producer of iron, nickel, titanium, yes, manganese, lead and zinc are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. North America. North America is divided into three mineral zones. Canadian region, north of Great Lakes, gold, iron ore and uranium. Yes, Appalachian region, zinc, lead, coal and asbestos. Western Cordilleras, coal, copper, zinc, lead, etc. The leading producer of high-grade iron and in the world in Brazil. Copper is found in large quantity in Chile and Peru, which accounts for nearly 1/4 of the world reserve. Okay, Africa. Africa has extensive minerals resources which account for 1/3 of the world resources. 46% of the world diamond productions in Africa, 89% of platinum and 81% of chromium and 60% of cobalt of the world expected to be in this continent. Okay, Australia, it large deposit of iron ore, nickel, bauxite, copper, gold, uranium and zinc. Okay, and largest producer of bauxite. Okay, largest deposit of gold are found in Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie, which are parts of Western Australia. Antarctica, most of the geological knowledge of Antarctica and about the minerals present in is linked with that of South Africa, America, South Africa and Australia. Okay. There are coal deposits along the coast of Antarctica, widespread throughout the Transantarctic mountains. Okay. Yes, minerals distribution in India. Refer to table below the distribution of minerals and different part of India. In this map, you see, yes, iron is Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa and Chhattisgarh region. Okay, bauxite is Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Mica, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Okay, copper, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Limestone is in Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Gold is deposit Kolar gold fields in Karnataka, and salt is obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. Sambar Lake in Rajasthan, Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh and coast of Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh.